Hi, this is the Debrief with FMA, and I'm here today with Dana Brown from our foundation to share some very exciting news. But first, a little backstory. Since 1990, FMA's foundation, Nuts, Bolts, and Thingamajigs, has given away over $1.3 million in scholarships. Dana, what are those scholarships for?
So the scholarships benefit both 2-year and 4-year students who are in programs studying manufacturing related disciplines.
So programs like welding, robotics, engineering.
Exactly.
So let's share the exciting news now.
We received a total of 865 scholarship applications for the fall semester compared to 473 last year. So that's an 82% increase.
That's amazing. And this tells us there's a strong interest in manufacturing related careers. This is great news for the industry.
Yes. And a big thank you to all of the scholarship reviewers who volunteer their time to review and score the applications.
Absolutely. When's the next application period everyone should know about?
Spring 2024 applications will be accepted July 1st through September 30th.
Great. That'll be here before we know it, right? For more information, please visit the website at nutsandboltsfoundation.org.